The importance of reasoning in judicial and administrative orders, a case analysis. In the case of Rajveer Constructions versus State of UP and others, the Allahabad High Court deliberated on the cancellation of a goods and services tax, GST, registration and the subsequent dismissal of an appeal based on a limitation period. The dispute revolved around the Assistant Commissioner of State Tax in Prayagraj cancelling GST registration via an order dated 6 April 2021, which was later dismissed as time-barred on 11 September 2024, under Section 107(4) of the Uttar Pradesh GST Act. Counsel for the petitioner contended that the cancellation order lacked adherence to Section 29 of the UPGST Act, deeming it unreasonable and mechanical. Such a deficient order, devoid of specific reasoning or proper application of mind, contravenes Article 14, Equality before the law, and Article 19, Freedom to conduct business, of the Indian Constitution. This lack of reasoning falls short of the standards mandated for quasi-judicial actions. The petitioner argued against the appeal's dismissal due to the limitation period, asserting that justified reasons for the delay were presented and ignored. The absence of due consideration in a quasi-judicial framework violates not only procedural fairness but also the fundamental principles enshrined in Articles 14 and 19. Relying on earlier judgments such as Om Prakash Mishra versus State of UP and MS Chandra Sen versus UI, the petitioner emphasized the judiciary's obligation to provide reasoned decisions to align administrative actions with constitutional mandates. Additionally, they refuted the applicability of the doctrine of merger, arguing that the appellate process did not examine the cancellation order on its merits, leaving it open to direct challenges. The Allahabad High Court declared the cancellation order of 6 April 2021 invalid due to insufficient reasoning. It directed the petitioner to respond to the show cause notice within 3 weeks and instructed the Assistant Commissioner to reconsider the case while ensuring procedural fairness. This reconsideration requires granting the petitioner a fair hearing and the opportunity to submit additional documents. The ruling reaffirms the judiciary's commitment to reasoned decisions in administrative orders, highlighting constitutional protections for businesses and fairness under Articles 14 and 19. This case reminds tax professionals to advocate for due process, ensuring administrative decisions meet the required legal reasoning standards. Summary of the case in the description.